All right, in this video, we are going to work through the following problem. This is from Java, exercise 1.27. It says draw a UML class diagram representing the following class. The name of the class is circle. It has one attribute, a radius that is represented by a double value. It has one operation or method, calculate area, which returns a double. Its attributes should be designed as private and its method as public. Okay, so I am going to use Vizio to draw this out. All right, you should have access to Vizio if you're in my class through the Azure program. If you need access to that, if you don't know about that, then let me know and I can try to find you some information about that. But you probably have received an email of that nature about how to access that. There are some other free, Vizio's not free. There are some other tools for creating UML diagrams. This one, Dia, I believe it is free. And I've used this one a lot in the past when I didn't have access to Vizio. In fact, I mostly use this one, right? But I've only had access to Vizio pretty recently here. So this Lucid Chart and Draw.io are also listed as possibilities. I have not used either of these two, so I can't really speak for how well they work. Okay, so those are some options. All right, so in Vizio, what you would do is go to UML class diagram. Click on that. All right, and there's some templates here that you can choose. All right, so if you have, actually, I don't want all of these, so I'm just going to cut those out. I didn't realize it would put all that stuff in there. You can also just do a blank one and then just grab. Okay, so once you have a rectangle in here, and you can just, if you want another one, you can just kind of drag it in over here like so. I guess I'll go ahead and do that. All right, and then if you right click on it, you can edit the text that's in there. So this is called circle. All right, and in Vizio, they usually use this separator, this kind of dotted line to separate the compartments of the class. All right, and we want one attribute named radius represented by a double value, right? So, and that's going to be private. So again, right click on that, edit text. And then so it's going to be minus radius, and then colon, and then double on that one. It says it has one operation or method which returns a double, calculate area. All right, and that one is supposed to be public. So right click on that lower compartment, edit text, and so it's going to be plus, right, calculate area, open and close parentheses, and then a colon, and then it's a double, I think, right? That makes sense, but let's double check. Returns a double, right? So that would indicate that the return type of the calculate area method is a double, and that is it on this one.